x all over 2 minus 3 all over 4x is equal to 5 all over 4. We are to find the value of x. We take solution x all over 2 minus 3 all over 4x is equal to 5 all over 4. At the left hand side, we have to subtract these two algebraic fractions. First, we are going to start by finding the LCM of their denominators. The LCM of 2 and 4x is 4x. 4x divided by 2 gives us 2x. 2x times x gives us 2x squared. We bring down the equation sign minus. 4x divided by 4x gives 1. 1 times 3 remains 3 is equal to 5 all over 4. The next step, we are going to perform cross multiplication. 2x squared minus 3 times 4 minus 3 times 4 is equal to 4x times 5. Next step, we are going to divide all through by 4. 2x squared minus 3 times 4, we divide by 4 is equal to 4x times 5, then we divide by 4. 4 will strike 4 at the left hand side, 4 will strike 4 at the right hand side. We'll be left with 2x squared minus 3 is equal to x times 5 gives us 5x. Next, we are going to transfer 5x to the left hand side because this is a quadratic equation. This will give us 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We can solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. We need two numbers such that their sum is equal to negative 5 and their product is equal to 2 times negative 3, which is equal to negative 6. The two numbers will simply be, take negative 6 plus 1 gives us negative 5. Negative 6 times 1 gives us negative 6. Taking down the quadratic equation, we have 2x squared. We are going to replace negative 5 with negative 6 plus 1 plus negative 6 plus 1 times x minus 3 is equal to 0. Next, we are going to expand the bracket. This will give us 2x squared plus negative 6 times x gives us negative 6x plus 1 times x gives x minus 3 is equal to 0. This will give us 2x squared, positive negative negative stays, minus 6x plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. For the first two terms, we are going to factor out 2x. 2x times x gives us 2x squared. 2x times negative 3 gives us negative 6x plus the next two terms, we are going to factor out 1. 1 times x gives x. 1 times negative 3 gives negative 3 is equal to 0. We have two terms. The two terms we have x minus 3 is common. We are going to factor x minus 3 times 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. For this product to be equal to 0, either x minus 3 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. If we take the first one, x minus 3 equal to 0, it will imply that x will simply be equal to, we are going to transfer negative 3 to the right hand side, which gives us 3. The second star, we take 2x plus 1 equal to 0, then 2x will be equal to, we are going to transfer 1 to the right hand side, gives us negative 1. Next, we divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2 will be equal to negative 1 divided by 2. Then, x will be equal to negative a half. Therefore, x equal to 3 or x equal to negative a half are the solutions of x all over 2 minus 3 over 4x equal to 5 on 4. So these are the two solutions for which this is true. Let's conclude that we verify to see if the solutions are correct. Therefore, x is equal to negative a half or x is equal to 3. These are the two solutions. Then we take the verification to see if the solutions are correct. We have x over 2 minus 3 over 4x is equal to 5 over 4. We take the first one for x equal to negative a half. We have to verify. That means we have to replace x with negative a half at the left hand side. Negative a half divided by 2 minus 3 over 4 times negative a half. This will be equal to negative a half divided by 2. We are going to send down 2. This will give us negative 1 over 2 times 2 gives us 4 minus 3 all over 4 times negative a half gives us negative 2. This will simply be equal to negative 1 quarter. Negative negative becomes positive plus 3 on 2. We need the LCM of their denominators. The LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. 4 divided by 4 gives 1. 1 times negative 1 plus 4 divided by 2 gives us 2 times 3, 6. Negative 1 plus 6 gives us 5. This will be equal to 5 all over 4, which is true. We take 2 star for x equal to 3. We are going to replace x with 3. This will give us 3 over 2 minus 3 over 4 times 3. And this will be equal to 3 over 2 minus 3 will strike off 3, will be left with 1 quarter. This will be equal to the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. 4 divided by 2 gives 2 times 3, 6 minus 4 divided by 4, 1 times 1, 1. This will be equal to 6 minus 1 gives us 5 on 4, which is true. Therefore, x equal to negative a half or x equal to 3 is the solution of x over 2 minus 3 over 4x equal to 5 over 4. We are done with the solution. If in case you have any worries, leave your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.